Do you dream of creating jaw-dropping 3D worlds? Want to bring your ideas to life with Unreal Engine? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Tuff, a lazy, passionate 3D artist and Unreal Engine creator. I've been working with Unreal for 5 years, and I'm here to guide you through the incredible world of Unreal Engine 5.5. Whether you're a total beginner or just curious, this course is designed to make 3D creation easy and fun. In this course, we'll cover everything you need to get started: navigating the Unreal Engine interface, building your first 3D scene, creating interactive elements with blueprints, mastering lighting and rendering for stunning visuals. By the end, you'll have the skills to create your very own 3D environments and bring your ideas to life. So what are you waiting for? Join me, and let's unlock the power of Unreal Engine 5.5 together. Save playlist and start your journey today. I will be updating videos every week. You just have to pay attention to the every video in this course playlist.